The Pharisee people and some law teachers wey come from Jerusalem gather for where Jesus dey. Dem come see say Jesus disciples dey chop bread when dem never wash their hand. Because the Pharisee and Jew people no dey chop unless dem wash their hand according to their tradition. And when dem come back from market, dem no dey chop unless they first wash their hand. Dem still dey follow many other traditions like to wash cup, kettle and share when dem dey sit down put chop. The Pharisee people and the law teachers come ask Jesus,
why your disciples no dey do according to our tradition, but instead dem dey chop with dirty hand?
Jesus answer dem,
The thing wey Isaiah prophesy about una na true, because una dey pretend as dem write for God word. These people dey praise me with their mouth, but their heart dey far from me. Dem dey worship me for nothing. Dey teach say make people obey human being law. Dem no dey respect God law, but dem dey obey human being law.
Jesus still tell dem,
Una reject God commandment so that una go fit keep una own. Because Moses say make you respect your papa and mama, and anybody wey curse him papa or mama, dem must kill am. But if anybody tell him papa and mama say the money wey I suppose give you, I don give God, so una no go let the person do good thing for him mama or papa. Na so una dey use una tradition wey una dey teach people take dey spoil God word, and una still dey do many things like this.
Then Jesus call the people again say,
Everybody listen to me, make una for understand wetin I dey talk. No be wetin enter inside person body go make am dirty for God eye. Instead, na wetin come out from him mouth dey make am dirty. Anybody wey get ear, make e hear wetin I dey talk.
when Jesus leave the people enter house, him disciples come ask am about the parable. He come tell them,
Na so una full reach, una no know say anything wey from outside enter person belle no go fit make am dirty for God eye, because no be the person heart e dey enter, na him belle, and e go shit am comot. This one mean say all food dey clean.
Jesus come say,
Wetin come out from inside person na him dey make am dirty. Because to sleep with who you no marry, to thief, to kill person, to sleep with another person husband or wife, long throat, evil things, to deceive person, to dey misbehave, jealousy, to spoil another person, to carry body up, and to do foolish things. Na from inside person heart all these bad things dey from come. All these evil things dey come from inside person, and na dem dey make person dirty for God eye.